Your Conti NG C comes with volumetric dosing, allowing consistency with minimal effort. Before starting, calibrate your grinder and prepare your portafilter with the correct recipe. You will also need a set of scales and a cup. To begin, press and hold button 5 on the left side group. After 5 seconds, button 5 will begin to flash and Doser's programming active will appear on screen. Carefully insert your coffee-filled portafilter into the left group head. Place the scales below the group and a cup on the scales. Then tear the scales to 0. Now press the button you wish to program to start the shot. Keep an eye on your scales as the shot pours. As you approach the ideal shot weight, press the button again to stop the shot. The dose has now been registered. To save it, press button 5. All doses programmed on the left group will copy to all groups to the right, saving time and improving consistency. To program more buttons, repeat the process again. You can also program the volume of water from the hot water tap through this menu. Finally, the Conti NG C is equipped with a dose setting lock, preventing accidental reprogramming during service. To lock your doses, start by pressing and holding button 5 on the left side group, then press button 3 at the same time. You're now in eco mode. Press button 5 to enter the main menu. Scroll right to highlight the tools icon and press button 5 to access the installation menu. Scroll down to dose settings. Then press button 5 to change the slider. With dose setting on, you will be able to set a dose, and when off, you will be unable to access dose settings. When you have changed the setting, press button 3 2 times to go back to eco mode. When the menu guide disappears, press button 3 to exit eco mode. This concludes the dose setting on the Conti NG C. For more useful tutorials that you might find useful, why not visit the NGC playlist on our YouTube channel.